Hi everyone, my name is Bav and I'm the training specialist here at Pixel Point. Today we will be looking at drive-thru parking. In this video, we will learn how to set up different drive-thru parking spots, how to set up windows, where the orders will be taken, and where the orders will be paid for. Let's open Back Office. First, we have to set up our stations to define which window will be taking the orders and which station or window will be set up to pay for the orders. Let's open up stations from the point of sales in Back Office. Always leave Station 1 as is, but in the Advanced tab, whatever the quick order table number is must be the same for all stations being used as windows. Here we can see that the quick order number for Station 1 is 31,000. Therefore, the quick order number for Station 2, which we will be using as our ordering window, must also be 31,000. This allows all windows with the same quick order table number to see each other's checks. Let's take a look at the right side of this tab. By default, Show Quick Order Summary by default is checked on. We want to uncheck this, and Start Quick Order Mode in Transaction View is also checked. This setup is for the station where the orders are being paid for, as they will see the next orders in line. Next, we need to turn on some policies, so from Point of Sales, click on the System Setup options, and from there, click on the Policies tab. Search for the policy called Finish Button in Split Checks, and set this policy to Yes. Next, search for Quick Parking View and set this policy to Yes. Next, search for Use Multi-Lane Drive-Thru Screen and set this policy to Yes. Next, we must define the parking spots. Let's go back to Back Office and click on the tables, then Parking Spots. This is where you can determine where exactly your drive-thru parking spots will be. Some franchises create designated parking spots right as you exit the drive-thru labeled with a number so the employee at the window can tell the customer to park at, for example, parking spot number 2, and their order will be delivered to their vehicle. Next, from Point of Sales, click on Form Designer. There's a new button you can add onto your finished form called Park Functions. This will add the ability to park an order or clear the order from parking. You can only park an order once it has been paid for. Let's take a look at what ordering will look like at the drive-thru. For example, someone orders something at the speaker window. We save the check. Open Station 2, look at the unpaid check. You can also add something at this window in case someone decides to add something to their order. The customer can now pay for their order. Just for this example, we'll say that the order isn't ready yet, so we'll click on the Parking Function button and we'll click on Park Order. You can use one of the labeled available parking spots that we determined under Parking Spots in Back Office, or you can use a reference code to write the license plate number or part of the license plate number of the car, the color of the car. Maybe the car has a specific thing that identifies it, such as a flag. You can write this in the reference code so the attendee knows which car to drop the order off to. Please make sure that the reference code being entered is appropriate, as it can show on the receipt given to the customer. Once the order has been dropped off, it can be cleared from parking so that the parking spot becomes available again. Let's look at the Parking Spots button from the POS. Click on the Parking Spots button at the bottom of the login screen, and the runner can clear a parking spot where the order is being delivered. Please note that the person using this window cannot clear all orders, and it must be done one by one because this person may not have a login. That concludes the drive-thru video. I hope this video was helpful and look out for future videos.